In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the sticker section in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature if you want to add fun visuals, make your edits more engaging, or quickly enhance your video with stickers and graphic elements. Whether you're new to CapCut or just can't seem to find the sticker menu, this walkthrough will help you get there fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the CapCut PC app on your computer. Once CapCut is open, go ahead and open the project you want to work on. This can be a new project or an existing one, depending on what you're editing. After your project loads, look at the top menu bar inside CapCut. You'll see several options across the top, and what you want to do next is click Sticker. This will open the sticker section where you can browse available stickers and start using them in your edit. From there, you can explore different sticker styles and choose the ones that fit your video best. It's a quick and easy way to add personality, movement, and extra attention to important parts of your content. So just to recap, open CapCut PC, open your project, and then click Sticker in the top menu. And that's how you access the sticker section in CapCut on PC. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.